That's right, this box contains a $30 mod that is bound to up your wheelie game. These are the RIZZLER stunt pegs. They might not teach you how to wheelie, but they'll definitely help. Oh, and quick disclaimer, I did ask for black, but I got purple, so oh well, we're going with purple. The pegs also come with respective bolts to secure it to the bike, and they're installed right in these holes on the back of the swing arm. Install is super easy. We'll take this nut that comes with it, drop it down into here into this little hole, and then it screws directly into this hole here. So while we screw these in, you're probably wondering what are these for, and these are specifically stunt pegs. So they're meant to be additional pegs, places to hop around, put your feet while you're doing different combos while in a wheelie. Truly making this thing the best wheelie bike. Now, while the primary purpose of these is to do stunt variations on, I could see them working well in a backup scenario as an extra set of passenger pegs. They should be rated to hold the weight of yourself standing on it, so for a passenger, shouldn't be a problem at all. My Allen key isn't long enough, so pliers it is. All right, pegs are mounted in literally the easiest install humanly possible. If you have issues putting these on, you shouldn't be riding. Guys, I know I'm always the black bike guy, but is it acceptable that I kind of am fooling with this purple? I don't know, I like the pop. So the pegs are on and they seem super solid. You can totally put your full body weight on this. Like I said, if you were a passenger, you wanted to ride bitch back here, you absolutely could. And you have a nice, actual, comfortable place to put your feet. Now, more importantly, we're gonna be wheeling this thing. And, oh, this will be fun. This will be super fun. Now, these pegs also should add additional protection should you drop your bike. So the first thing that's gonna hit is gonna be your pegs, which will fold up, and then also these. So this might get roughed up a little bit, but it's ultimately gonna protect the frame of the bike itself. But that's just my speculation, and I can tell you what, I've never used these types of pegs before, so we're probably bound to fall, so we'll get to test that. So let's ride. And here we are. Pegs are on. Let's ride this thing. Now, admittedly, guys, I've never used pegs on a bike like this, so you guys are gonna learn with me. Definitely gonna be something that's not foreign to you. So honestly, a great option as far as like if this is your first e-bike to come to something like this, because if you combo like crazy on normal pegs on a bicycle, then this will be like the perfect next step. And we're still getting used to wheelies on this thing, but wow, I can just literally reach my feet back and grab those pegs. Just wheelie and then go right back to the pegs. All right, now my feet are on the pegs and we're wheeling on the pegs. Oh my God, that's like so easy. Honestly, probably a really good way to learn balance point and how to wheelie because your weight is further back, so balance point isn't quite as far away. Woo. We're just gonna wheelie off the pegs. This is straight peg wheelie. Wow, this is like a hack. This is like the easiest way to wheelie possible. Go back to sit down. Yeah, sit down wheelie is definitely harder than wheeling on the pegs. It's because you're lowering your center of gravity when you're on those pegs. Maybe this is a hack to make you wheelie better. But we're gonna go to a lot to practice real quick. Yeah, but I'll be interested to see like what I can do coming from a sit down, standing to the pegs, going back to a sit down. This is just gonna unlock so many more stunt variations and combos you can do. I don't know, man, this could quickly become my new favorite bike. Quick break in the video to talk about the Varun Explorer Beast. Here it is, the Beast, a cafe racer inspired e-bike. One of the most aggressive looking street legal pedal e-bikes out now. Powered by a 750 watt motor with up to 1000 watts peak, plenty of torque for hills, trails, and daily riding. A 48 volt, 31.5 amp hour removable battery, rated for up to 95 miles of range in ideal conditions. 20 by 4-inch all-terrain fat tires and full suspension to smooth out pavement, gravel, and even snow. Top speed around 28 miles per hour with a clean LCD display, throttle, and pedal assist. Front and rear disc brakes, plus built-in turn signals for street riding. Supports riders up to 330 pounds. That's the Varun Explorer Beast. Let's ride. We're in the cockpit and this thing has sweet pedal assist, but more importantly a full twist throttle so you don't have to pedal at all. Thing gets right up to speed and is technically street legal, even with all the lights and horn to show for it. This is a super interestingly styled bike, and if you guys are interested in it, please feel free to use my code to save on it down below. Now back to the video. All right guys, we're here at the lot. We're gonna mess around. First I'm gonna show you guys some normal sit down circle wheelies, and then I'll show you guys what I can do with the peg. All right, so normal sit downs. The RIZZLER we learned is incredible for normal sit-down wheelies. Like the tightest little circles, feet up. It's these big old wheels and tires that lend itself to it. So you're just able to circle so damn well. But what we care about today are these stunt pegs, which I'm gonna try to transition to in a circle. Oh, yeah, these are interesting. So I'll show you, like, so sit down, we go back up to a normal wheelie, and you're just so, like, in control of the bike. It feels like you're just on top of it, so that you have, like, even way better control than in a sit down. You do have to be careful that you don't get your foot caught in there, I'm noticing, because your foot could get caught in the chain, and that wouldn't be a good day. But here we go. First time using pegs, stand-up circles on the pegs. That's crazy. Guys, I, again, historically am not good at standing on stuff like the seat and whatnot on the bike, but the pegs make it so easy. And I am starting to like these brakes a little more the more I get used to them. But let's see if we can transition from sit-down circles up to stand-up on the pegs. That's crazy. Drag a foot. Oh, this is gonna unlock so many different stunt tricks you can do. Dude, this might be my new favorite bike now. We'll sit down wheelie, then we go to the pegs. Oh my God, this is crazy. I can't believe this. All right, let's see if we can't link some things together. So we'll go like sit down to the pegs, up to a knee knock. Yeah, so maybe what I said at the beginning was a lie. Maybe these will actually teach you to wheelie. Now, one thing I was curious about is how this affects lean, and this is how far down you have to go to actually touch the pegs on the ground. So I don't think there's going to be any concern with scraping this while you're turning. You're going to low side before you scrape these. Now, this is how far down it goes when the pegs touch. So basically, if you were to drop the bike, the pegs are going to hit first, pegs then bars. So it's honestly good protection. The only protection you don't have is on the front. So it would be cool to get some sort of sliders for the front pegs as well. Yeah, dude, if you're coming from pedal bikes where you use these things all the time and you're like hip popping around, this is gonna be crazy. But let's just play around a little more. Yeah, it's much easier to turn when you're using the pegs too. Yeah, and you can just toe tap easily. Little foot drag. Death spin on the pegs. Yeah, guys, this is such a fun little hack, and for only 30 bucks, cheaper with code ConnorG, it literally just adds so much value to the bike. And it really is a super simple mod. Obviously, it's just adding essentially BMX pegs to your bike, but as far as additional protection and way more fun for combos and things, and again, specifically if you're trying to learn wheelies, learning on the pegs would actually help a ton. I highly recommend it. But let's keep riding. I'm also so impressed by the battery on this thing. Like, we've been out for 25 minutes already and it's only at 98%. Like, it seems fake. Seems fake to me. Another thing we got to get comfy with still are our throttle one-handers, which will come just as we put more trust into these brakes. Woo! Dude, it's just such an easy transition. Like, even if you already know how to sit down wheelie and you're working to learn how to get up to a knee knock, this is a good practice to get up to a knee knock, because you're transitioning in the wheelie, but it's not nearly as much movement as a knee knock. Because like getting up to knee knock when you're first starting doing it is a little scarier. See, that's a knee knock there. Even if you want to learn just to transition a knee knock, you can do so through the pegs because it's less of a distance to go. It's a little easier. All right, there we go. The transition is just so easy. Again, this is by far the best circle bike that I have ridden to date, and I think it's due to the fact of how these wheels and tires are. But oh my God, it's crazy. I thought the RTR was a great circle bike. This puts it to a next level. And then you put these pegs on it. Crazy. Ready, RIZZLER going 20. Throw that weight back, get the fang up. Super linear tune, very predictable. And the brakes are the best brakes ENC has done yet. I've always kind of shat on the stock brakes on the RTR and the RTR Lite, but these are a different level. Look at that, going to pegs, right back down to sit down. What's up? Oh, I know those guys. But to go right to the pegs, Not T. And right back to the sit down. I love it. I'm also debating if I want to do some sort of custom build on this as far as like powder coat or paint coat. So let me know what color you think the wheels would look sick. I'm probably going to keep everything else black, but if we can do the wheels a different color, that would be sick. What's up? What's going on? Merry Christmas Eve, guys. What's up? How we doing? It's a new one. Yeah, it's the RIZZLER.
I saw you fall on one of these on YouTube.
Yeah, I did fall. Hey, these are wheelie pegs. So you stand on them. No, it's quiet. And you're able to stand on them like BMX pegs. How's it going? All right, guys. Well, good seeing you. I'm gonna keep going. But yeah, I'm recording another video. You guys want to be in it? You guys are the stars of the channel now. Ready? We can try stoppy again. Little bit, baby stoppy. But yeah, guys, if you are interested in this bike or these wheelie pegs, feel free to use code ConnorG at checkout when buying from Electron Co to save. Guess we're going up here now. But I think it's a total win. I think they look sick. Like I said, I kind of fell in love with the purple. Maybe I'll do the wheels purple. Let me know what you guys think. But if you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you guys very, very soon. Oh yeah, and we're doing a range test on this next video, I promise. Peace.